Bromofluoromethane, carbon has 4 valence electron, hydrogen has 1, multiply by 2, plus bromine has 7, fluorine has 7. So totally we have 20 valence electron. This 20 valence electron has two tasks at the same time. The first task is to connect these 5 atoms together, and the second task is to satisfy octet and duet. Let me connect. For connection, we have used 2, 4, 6, 8. Now satisfy the octet. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. We have used all the valence electron. Now check for duet and octet. Duet, duet, octet, octet. Now check for octet of central atom. The octet. Carbon is the central atom because it has the highest capacity of making bond. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. Carbon has formed 4 bonds. Plus, carbon is least electronegative and hydrogen is always considered outer atom. So, this is the Lewis structure. You can replace this bonding pair by a line. This is the structure formula or another way of representing Lewis structure.